I hear from loads of people who tell me, I'm just not good at presenting. And that person in my company who's good, they're just a natural. It's not true. There are no naturals. Behind that natural is hours and hours and hours of hard work, practice, rehearsal, and delivery. And that's what made it look easy. The good news is you can be good too. You can be that person who people say is a natural, but you need to put in the work. Tips and tricks are not enough. They might give you some help, but you need to put in work. And if you don't know what kind of work to put in, then talk to me. Because I'm just launching a course, an online video course that will help you do the work you need to stretch, find your voice, be more bold, confident, and express your authentic passion. And be more you, because that's when you can really be memorable and make a huge impact. And that's what I want for all of you. That presenting is fun and you can be more you. So get in touch.